He's the only one with a tail.
All
and
right.
he's got a 3/4 tail, and the rest all have nubs.
We are live now over here with the cute, I promised you some cute Aussie puppies, and here they are. Oh, look at them. So we're out here in Vicksburg today for some rabies shots and other appointments. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Kroom, and we're here. These puppies aren't even our patients yet, but they just came into the room and I had to share. And they're 6 weeks now, and the owners say they will be for sale eventually, so I'll get the information and leave that here. If anybody has any questions about them, you can put some information in the comments below, and we'll let you know what's what. But they are just too cute. The Tectoni. Let me step over here to
I have
the light.
Ali and Cooper. This is Ali.
Hey,
And
Ali.
this is Cooper.
Hey, Cooper. Oh, Cooper, you are too cute. You're all cute, but
Oh my goodness.
oh my gosh. So this is some of the fun we get to have on our mobile vet appointments. Who we got here? Who's this one?
That was Buddy.
Our buddy, yeah.
Hi.
He's cute.
I was just saying that. Somebody smells like that.
You're so cute. And who's this down here on my shoe?
That
Both
one is
of you.
Oreo or cow. Depends on who's talking to him.
Oreo or cow? Hey, little cow. Hey, little cow. You like that shoe, don't you? Oh, my.
It wasn't there and then it was.
All right. All right. Just wanted to give you a quick puppy break. It's Dr. Kroom. You know where to find me.
So this one is Junior because he looks just like Freddie.
Oh, Junior. Let's see.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, he does look like Freddie, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's exactly like what he looks like as a puppy and everything.
Oh,
He
cute.
even got like the little dots.
Yeah, on his legs.
This is, say hi,
This one
Shane.
was
Hi
named
guys.
It's the Turf Team.
This is
by my
little.
friend, and
This is
her daughter
little
came
Ollie,
over,
I think.
and
Yeah.
He was the only
That
one
should
that
be
didn't have
Harper
a name.
Jr.
So what should his
wait a
name be? And
minute.
she said, Kevin. So that's how he got his name.
Too cute. All right, you guys. All right, back to work. Back to work.